Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm gonna do a bit different video than the usual thing that we upload. Today I'm gonna show you my PC, I'm gonna make a review of my computer, I'm gonna basically show my whole PC, the components, the video card and all of that. So let's go ahead and check the PC. Okay, so this is my PC. I have to turn it around somehow so you can basically see it from inside. So this is the PC in front. It has two USBs for joystick, for mouse, keyboard. This is for the headphones, the mic, stereo. Inside here you can put hard drives, SSDs, all that components, more hard drives if you need some. Here is the plug for the CDs. These here buttons, as you can see, you can start the computer from here, but basically you can do it from this power button as well on the top. So these here are buttons for the light. That doesn't matter, it goes around here. So here on the side there is a ventilation system that basically cools the computer. It's a bit dusty, haven't cleaned it in a while. So back here in the back you can see the multiple USBs that you can plug inside. Here you have for the mouse VGA cable. You can put also you can put USBs. Here you can plug your headphones as well, yet again. And down here this is for the VGA, and if you have a normal video adapter you can plug it in here. I use this one. The power button here for the computer is down below. Also the power supply is at the lower part of the computer. It's not here, it's down there. Also these holes here that you see, these are for water cooling system that I don't currently use, but I'm planning on putting someday. Okay, so let me turn the computer around so I can show it from inside. Basically this is the inside of the computer. Okay, as you see here, this is a nice thingy built inside. You can hold this can hold the hard drives, so they're not moving around the computer when you're if you're moving it somewhere. As you can see, here is the reader for the hard drive. This is the reader. This is the video card, the cooler for the processor. Down here you can see two slots for I think another video card, I'm not sure. Down here you can see the RAM components. You can put there is one more slot, so you can put one more piece of RAM if you need. And this thing here, this is another cooler. As you can see, this is cooling the whole computer. It's connected with a wire to the hard drive, so basically the whole inside of the computer. I'm gonna try to take out the video card, so just give me a sec. I'm gonna pause the video so you can see the video card. So guys, I managed to get out the video card. So this is here, Sapphire AMD Radeon 7800. As you can see, it has two vents, one here, one here. Down here you can see the pipe, the water pipe that is cooling the whole video card. Here below you can see the whole motherboard of the card. So basically this is the whole part of the video card. It's 2 GB RAM. It needs power supply of 400 watts, and I think that's all for the video card. I'm just gonna leave it here. Another thing I want to talk about is the processor. It's an i7 3.8 GHz. The processor, I'm really proud of it. It's doing really fine. I'm gonna do a benchmark test so you can basically see how it managed the CPU and all that. So this is gonna be it. This is the power supply here. You can see. I don't know, it cannot zoom right now at the moment. So basically this is the whole computer. I'm gonna show the components on the screen that you're gonna see in a sec. So that's gonna be all, and I hope you enjoy the video. So see you in the next one.